From the last 2 days, I have been hearing about the new constitution which Kenya is now going to implement, and I can relate it very much to the constitution amendments which we had in 1993. And when I compare, I see that there are a lot of learnings which are there from India, wherein Kenya can use those learnings. We were discussing about women reservation in the morning, and right now they have in Kenya there is no reservation for women. But then in India, when we had reservation, the women candidates were used as in puppet candidates, and because of the patriarchy and because of the social structures. And when I was talking to the Kenyan colleagues here, I find that the same kind of social structures are also in place. So there is a learning for the Kenyan people to be at least be alert on the issues which will come once the new constitutions get implemented.
So especially important
For women and for the weaker section also, who are poor, who are not really exposed to these power dynamics, to the governance processes. So they should be, and especially the role of civil society now will be much more. Organizations like ALGEC have to play much more active role in working as a watchdog towards all these policies.
So now, what do you think are the main challenges?
The main challenge will be to detail out the provisions which are now in the Kenyan constitution, the new constitution, to detail out the intricacies of if they are talking about devolution, then they need to detail out the intricacies between the functions, funds, and functionaries when they talk about the bigger role for local governments.
And when they talk about money, you said from India's perspective, you see alternative structures.
Yeah, they need to be a little more conscious when it comes to the role of local government, the provincial government, and the national governments. So when something comes from the national governments, it should not come through a parallel structure, but it should go through local governments, and that will be I think the biggest challenge, because most of the developmental programs run by the national governments comes through the local government through a parallel structure, and that undermines the role of local governments.
This kind of partnership between India and Kenya, for example, how important is it?
It is very important because, like I said, the things which are happening right now, it happened in India in 1993 itself. So there are lots of learning from India which Kenya can take precautions right from the beginning onwards, and can have a bigger role for local governments.